1 hour. That's all it takes now to go from an idea to a finished KDP book. Not a rough draft, not something that's just thrown together, but a complete book. Think cover, interior, structure, that's all ready to publish. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you 5 KDP book ideas you can create in 1 hour that actually sell. And no, this isn't about cutting corners, it's about how the process has changed. Because with the evolution of AI, what used to take days or even weeks can now be done in a fraction of the time if you approach it properly. You don't need to draw, you don't need to hire an illustrator, you don't need complicated software. With the right prompts and a clear structure, you can create professional looking books using nothing but direction and intent. Now here's the important part. Just because something is fast to create doesn't mean it's worth creating. That's where most people get it wrong. So in this video, I'm gonna show you 5 book ideas that are not only quick to make, but also make sense from a demand standpoint. Ideas that give you a realistic starting point without overcomplicating the entire process. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first one of these KDP book ideas is going to be called the Sloth Coloring Book. Now, like I said, there's no point creating a coloring book in an hour using AI if there's not going to be enough demand or if it's going to be overly complicated. But I did all the homework for you guys. And so when we look at the total results, only 414, so not very competitive here. And with the Titans Quick View, I always look at this niche score. I like to look for at least a score of 50. So I see a 58 here. And then even more so when I go through Titans Pro analysis, we see demand is a 7, opportunity is an 8. Everything looks good. And obviously I already did all the homework for you guys. So right away, I already know that there's a couple books here selling, like this one, Farting Sloth Coloring Book. You can see the royalties estimated anywhere from $100 to $200 per month. And that's actually really good considering it's only from one book. So all these royalties that you see here is coming from one single book. So when you have many books doing very well, it's all gonna add up into something more significant. You see a couple more sloth coloring books right here, all different types of designs. You have square format, 8.5 by 11. This one obviously looks like it could have been created with AI. It's sold already a handful of times, already has reviews, 4 reviews right here with a 5.0 rating. Obviously it doesn't have the best BSR right now, but when we look at this one right here on the very side, on the right side, Little Sloth Cozy Coloring Book, this one has a BSR of 271,000. So this one estimated royalties about $100 per month. Once again, that is actually very good considering you're going to be creating this book with AI in about an hour. So anytime you can make $100 per month in royalties from a book that you didn't draw by hand is a complete W. And here's one right here, Sloth Coloring Book for kids ages 4 to 8. So this one is a little bit niched down, ranked at 59,000. So we see the royalties $100 to $200 per month. Here's another one, $100 to $200 per month. And so this is a great entry point into a niche that you can create a coloring book using nothing but AI. Here's one right here, Cozy Cottage Sloth, $200 to $400 per month in estimated royalties. So if we actually take a look at this book, we see this one priced at $9.99. That's typical pricing for coloring books these days. And this one, 40 illustrations. So that's also very typical, especially with these bold and easy type of coloring books. 89 pages overall. So as you can see, not very lengthy. And once you have your AI down, your prompts down, producing or generating 40 images is not going to take very long. Now looking at the interior, here's the cover. Now whether this was hand drawn or created by AI, I can tell you that AI can create this type of coloring book cover, and that's how far AI technology has come these days. Now looking at the interiors, not really an interior to look at, but on the back cover, here's 3 pages that we can take a glance at. Now looking at the A+ content, here are some more interiors. So a great way to actually take a peek at the book and see why it's selling so well. Now, I just want to show you the power of AI. I'm on ChatGPT right now. Here's a lengthy prompt here, specifically engineered for a sloth coloring book. You can feel free to pause the video to go ahead and read this. But if we actually go through here, you can see this entire prompt created a title that I can use or not use, or I can just play around with this and edit the title. It even created a subtitle. This is a great starting point for your book. And then a commercial description that not only you can use with KDP, but you can also use with Etsy if you are selling books on there. This is a great starting point as well. And even SEO keywords that can be used in the back end of your listings. And then here's the meat and potatoes, the full cover prompt that you can just copy and paste in here. And then as well, the interior coloring pages. Now, all you need to do is just copy these back into ChatGPT and it will deliver these images to you. So I did that. I like to actually type in create the first page of the interior using the prompt provided in 1-to-1 ratio instead of copy and pasting the prompt. And as you can see, this is what it generated. Actually looks very, very good, very, very competent, and really similar to the book that we were looking at. And so for good measure, I just did a second page here. And the second page of this prompt actually comes from this list right here, which is number 2. If you want to go ahead and read that, it's right here. Sloth lying on a plush floor cushion reading a book. And if we look at it, you can see exactly that's what the sloth is doing. Very good interior. So this is just to show you the power of AI using these prompts. Now, the next KDP book idea that you can create in 1 hour is going to be this axolotl coloring book. Now, this niche for some reason always has low competition. We see total results 406 and a niche score fairly high at 71. Times Pro analysis, those numbers are really high right there. And looking through the books, there's a lot of these books that are actually selling pretty well. You have a bestseller right here, Axolotl Coloring Book, 22,000 BSR. $1,000 to almost $2,000 per month in estimated royalties. This one right here, a square type, bold and easy look. This one is making $400 to over $600 per month in estimated royalties. And then another bestseller right here, which looks pretty similar to this bestseller, but this one estimated royalties $1,200 to $1,800 per month. So that's 2 bestsellers in this niche and a lot of books that are actually selling very well. Here's another one. $200 to $400 per month, a bold and easy type. And then this one right here, Axolotl Coloring Book, $200 to $356 per month. And as you can see, just a lot of examples of these axolotl coloring books doing quite well. Now, if we take a look at an example, this one's gonna have 51 illustrations. This is a bold and easy kawaii type of coloring book directed at kids. And this one priced at $9.99. And right here at the A+ content, we can see the type of styling that this book has. And the unique thing about this book, or actually I've seen a lot of axolotl coloring books, what they do is they'll put a page, an illustration, a coloring page, and then on the bleed through page, they actually put a fun fact about an axolotl, which is a great way to use dead space or that bleed through page that basically has nothing on it and add value to your coloring books. And this book is actually performing pretty well, 89,000 BSR, so a couple $100 per month in estimated royalties. Now, the next KDP book idea that you can create in 1 hour is going to be called the Cozy Mountain Cabin Coloring Book. Total results 913 with a niche score 57, and Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 6, opportunity is a 9, so not too competitive here. And this is going to be a great way to get started with AI coloring books. None of these books are going to be best sellers, but for example, you have this one right here, Cozy Girl Cabin Life, 150,000 ranking, so a couple $100 per month in estimated royalties. You also have this one right here at 134,000 BSR. This one, royalties $200 to $400 per month. And another one right here called Cozy Cabins, ranked at 83,000. This one, $300 to $500 per month in estimated royalties. And that's very, very good considering it is coming from one single book. So if we actually take a look at the Cozy Cabins coloring book, this one priced at $9.99, 100 pages. So this one has about 40 to 50 illustrations. And when we look at the interior, you can see this cover right here. Looks like it could be created with AI. Even to the text that it's using right here, looks like it was something that could have been produced with AI. Now looking at one of these pages, you can see just some cozy cabins, another page of the interior right here, and then one more page of the interior. This is something that AI won't struggle to create. And once you have your prompts down, you can really spit out these images fairly quickly and put together these books without having to do much more modification to these images. Now here's a prompt that I use with ChatGPT for something similar to this niche. This is gonna be a cabin type of coloring book, but this includes a character, and in this case it's gonna be a bear. But if we go ahead and look, it's the same thing, gives you the title, subtitle, description, SEO keywords, and also the full cover prompt text right here that you can just go ahead and copy and paste into the prompt box. And then all of the interior prompts are right here. But let's go ahead and look at page 1 that I generated. And as you can see, here is a bear. This is going to be the character. And then the scene is just going to change from page to page. Here's another one right here in front of the fireplace. Looks very good. And this is just another example of how AI can really create these coloring books that are really starting to look like it was professionally drawn. Now, the next KDP book idea that you can create in 1 hour is going to be called the Creepy Kawaii Coloring Book. Now, the total results 854 and niche score 56, Titans Pro analysis. All these numbers are good. And what we're more interested is looking through the listings here. So you have these first 5 books where the first 4 books are all KDP books, all independently published and all making some type of sales. This one, $300 to $500, $200 to $400. I mean, look at their rankings here, 100,000, 151,000, 175,000. This one is 89,000 bestsellers ranked. And going to the next row, kind of the same deal. This one is a bestseller, ranked at 4,000. Creepy Kawaii right here, ranked at 151,000. And another one right here, ranked at 304,000. So a lot of books, a lot of demand here because we have all these books that are selling. And this one right here, Creepy Cute Kawaii Adult Coloring Book, 81,000 BSR. This was making a couple $100 per month. If we take a look at this book, this one priced at $9.99, so typical pricing point, 63 pages, so not very long at all. Only 30 illustrations, so very, very short book, but it just goes to show you that you don't need a lot of coloring pages. For example, 30 illustrations, 63 pages, you would think that's not enough, but looking at the ratings, 4.3 out of 5, 75% is a 5-star. So obviously the interiors of this book doing pretty well. Now, a little bit of concern is that 13% is a 1-star. This is the second highest category here. So obviously a great way is to go ahead and look at these 1-stars, see what the problem is if you want to go ahead and compete in this niche and just create a book that's better than this. Now, looking at the interior, you can see exactly what type of book this is, some of the pages on the back cover. But once again, with AI, you can go ahead and create these different themes, same looking interior, same style. AI is actually perfect for this type of coloring book, like a sci-fi type of coloring book, because the imperfections that AI has, even though it is now minimized, actually plays well into this type of coloring book. Now, the next KDP book idea that you can create in 1 hour is going to be called the Cozy Corners Coloring Book. Now, I did create a video on the cute and cozy coloring book niche, but this one is going to be the Cozy Corners Coloring Book. Total results 868, and niche score is going to be the highest of the group today at 76. With the Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. And looking through the books here, very, very profitable books, 12,000 to 19,000 estimated royalty. This one insane, 45,000 to 68,000 in estimated royalties. And this is per month, guys. So if you have a bestseller, a best-selling book in any niche, I mean, the royalties can get pretty eye-opening, but that is the power of KDP. This one right here, a little bit more subtle, $700 to $1,192 per month in estimated royalties. And this book right here, just starting out, already $20 to $30 in estimated royalties, 111,000 BSR. Comfy Corners right here, 112,000. This one, 91,000. So a lot of examples here of these cozy corners doing very, very well. Now, if we take a look at this one called Cozy Corners, coloring book for adults and teens featuring super cute nooks and hygge spaces for relaxation, priced at $9.99. This This one is 112 pages, so 50 designs or illustrations, and it has a really high rating here, 4.7 out of 5. 83% is a 5-star. Second highest is your 4-star. This is kind of what you want to see with your books, is kind of this type of rating where mostly 5-star, the second highest is a 4-star, and so on and so forth. And looking at the interior, here's one of those pages, and then some pages of the interior on the back cover. So very cute and cozy type of book, something that AI can create these days. And just to show you another example, you can go ahead and pause the video if you want to read this in its entirety. But this is going to be a prompt creating a coloring book that showcases a fox in a cozy type of environment. So once again, comes with the title, the subtitle. These are great starting points for your own books. The description as well, SEO keywords, the full color cover illustration prompt, and then the interior prompts for your book. So for page 1 and page 2, because that's what I generated here for you guys. Here's page 1. Here's the fox sitting on a chair with the trees in the background, books laying all around. It looks very, very nice. And then for the second page, the fox lying on a bunch of pillows here. Still a lot of books all around, but different type of scene. But this is the same character. So as you can see with AI, it can keep your characters consistent and just change the scene out. And once you understand how AI works and how these prompts works, creating these illustrations doesn't take that long. 40 illustrations, you can put together a book in an hour, including the cover, which if we go ahead and paste that in there, let's wait a couple seconds so that we can see exactly what ChatGPT generated. And as you can see, this is a great starting point for any book cover. Now, what I would personally do is I would keep this illustration right here. I'll go ahead and remove all of this text and create my own title and subtitle text to really make it pop. But as you can see, looks very, very good. And this was all done and generated with AI. So hopefully this gave you a clearer picture of what's actually possible now. Creating a book in an hour isn't about rushing. It's about simplifying the process and using the right tools in the right way. And as you saw in this video, a big part of that comes down to the prompts. So if you want to use the exact prompt list that I used in this video, you can find it linked in the description down below. It's the same set of prompts designed to help you structure your book, generate the interior pages, and move through the entire process much faster without having to figure everything out from scratch. And if you want a bigger picture, understanding how to approach Amazon KDP, from choosing the niches to building out your catalog, make sure to grab my KDP royalty roadmap as well. It's completely free and it walks you through the process step by step. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.